How you going, folks? You're very welcome to this week's episode of John's Garage. This week we're doing a little bit of carticulture. We're going digging around in a garden, okay? Now, I've been contacted by the owner of this property. They're clearing it, and underneath here they tell me there is a car. I know what car it is because I walked up and I'm a bit of an anorak and I think I saw it straight away. It's a Renault 9, okay? I don't have any tools with me, unfortunately, right now, but I'm going to try get us in insofar as possible. But the owner tells me that if anyone wants it, come and get it. So what I'd say to you is email me, johnosgarage@gmail.com, send me a message and we'll arrange contact with the owner with you, and off you come. You can come, take the car away, do whatever you want. Any other business is between you. I believe the charge is very minimal, okay? So don't be worried, you're not going to be asked a crazy price here. Next up, I don't know if there's any keys. I don't know if there's any logbook. The owner is going to have a look for those things as well. But I can't see this driving out of here. It is rotten. It's probably going to be as rotten as a pear, folks. So we'll have a look and see what we can see, okay? I'll try and find something to cut this back a little bit, all right? So anyway, without further ado, let's get on with it. Okay, so my search for tools has come up with this stick. I can tell you, for anyone who is interested and who does come, there is a massive Hi-Mac just parked back there because they are clearing the property, and they will gladly help you out, I would imagine, with this. But for now, I'm just going to use the basics and just see if we can pull back some of the weeds. So the reg is VZG76. Okay, VZG76. Now, it is a newer type plate. Now, if I'm not mistaken, ZG, or VZG, is a County Limerick plate. So we're not too far away from Limerick here in North Tipperary, so that would make sense that at some stage the car may be travelled over. Let's see if we can get in the driver's side of this. See what we can see in there. Now, you can tell, folks, by the way that it's returning to nature, shall we say. This has been here quite a while. Now, amazingly, much to my surprise, the bonnet is rust free. Maybe all this stuff protected it. Who knows? Who knows? Now, my hope here is that this might prove useful for somebody's project. Maybe somebody needs a part, they're restoring one of these, might be a little bit stuck with something, a part that's proven difficult to get. Something like this could be your saving grace. Trust me, you're not going to whack this up on DoneDeal and say, barn find, I want €1,000. This is definitely not a barn find, this is definitely a field find. And she's sunken down a little bit. I absolutely love nothing more than the reveal of a car that hasn't seen the light of day in many, many years. Well, this one has seen the light of day, I suppose, is kind of part of the problem for it. Unfortunately, if it was in a shed, it probably would be survivable, or possibly would be. If it was a dry shed, I suppose, not a damp one. It's no good to nobody. Let's see if we can just maybe speed this process up a little bit. Not like I'm going to damage it. It's gross. Windscreen's all there anyway, if anybody needs one of them. Roof is solid. Probably shouldn't have worn my Sunday best. Yep. Mrs. John's garage is going to be happy. Off you go. Oh, the aerial is kind of what's flicking it back. Wow, look at all this muck. Well, the roof is all there, if nothing else. Okay. Okay. That's a bit gross. Right. Is this open? Okay, folks, you are not going to believe this. Okay, so folks, here we go. Here is the Renault 9. I've cleared it back a little bit to give you a better look at it. There's the reg, YZG76. I'm pretty amazed. It's actually in far better condition than I was expecting. There's a lot of usable panels here. I know they need a clean up, but they're there. Glass is mainly there apart from that window. Obviously somebody leaned against it and it broke. It has sunk down right up to the axle, but way more amazingly than that is the fact that the sills are there, which is surprising me. You also got your wing mirror there. I wonder is the glass in that after that impact? Yes, it is. I can feel it. It's in there. Look at the interior, folks. So obviously we have some beautiful headlining material. Let's get a little look in there. We got headliner in there. We got the original radio in there. Just trying to think. Hazard lights, fog light, rear window defrost, and so on and so forth. The steering wheel doesn't look that worn. The driver's seat looks like it's had a good ride. It is. That's definitely a broken frame. Roof isn't that bad on the inside either. Rear window intact. All the other windows are there, apart from the one I'm leaning in through. There's a load of dirt in the back, so that's useless. Yeah. I don't know what to say to you folks. Maybe there's a lot of useful parts in this. Now, I was trying to open up this door without cutting myself to pieces on the glass, but she doesn't want to open. Look there. Oh, hold on a minute. Nope. Just stabbed myself with broken glass. Let's see if this will open now. She got it to go. Now I'm sure the lock is way seized. Nah, she's going nowhere. But the roof is all there. The roof lining is all there. You see the insurance just down there, but I'm gonna guess that's not something I'm gonna reach. But the original radio is still there. How cool is that? There's also a genuine Renault oil filter over there, so it was well serviced maybe at the factory. I am cutting myself to shreds here. 1 second, folks. I got it right into the back of the knee. That's not where you want to get it. But yeah, that's her, folks. So as I said, she is free to a good home. I would highly recommend it goes to somebody who is restoring one of these or who wishes to just collect rotten old cars. Let's come around to the rear end. Ah, beautiful. Has its original Irish raised letter reg plate. Folks, I'm not that good with these reg plates. VZG 76. Would that make this 85? 85 Limerick cars, isn't that right? I don't know. A bit of weight reduction going on back here. You can see they shedded the tailboard onto the ground. Looks like the connections for the rear lights. That is exactly what that is, I would think. And, oh, there's a rear light. That's a good way of telling this is a Renault 9. That is the driver's side one of these. Rear spoiler, very hard to get. So if somebody was restoring one again, these are what's useful in cars like this. It's like that. Let me see if I can get this up without needing a tetanus shot in the process. Oh God. Oh, there we go. So yeah, that's coming apart a little bit. The floor I can see is not there. I have no idea what that electrics is. But yeah, she's well rotten. She is, despite appearances, she's actually probably not going to go very far, which is a pity. I wonder could I sneak in around this side. I didn't bring my trusty stick with me to beat these bushes, but let's see. I got my heavy milking wellies on, so not too worried about that. I'm worried about my Sunday best that I'm wearing. I wasn't intending coming doing this, but yeah. Let's see. Let me choose my steps carefully. I won't get in too much cut to shit. Yeah, I don't know, a little bit further. Let's see if I can grab this. Ha, you fucker. Excuse my language, folks. I just got a nasty sting. Now, I wonder if I could use my big foot to do that. Does this door open? Let's do that again. Okay. No, that side is not going to open. Oh, sure, here while I'm at it, let's try driver's door. The things I do for you. Oh, brilliant, the driver's door doesn't have a handle. The handle that it does have, very good. Anyway, there's a Renault 9 here, folks, if somebody wants it. As you can probably tell, it's rough as Badger's arse, but it is here. Somebody may need some parts. Oh wow, this is actually working really well as a method to clear the car a little bit more. Except now I'm just knotted up and everything. That is wonderful. There's this side. This Renault 9, it's just so decrepit, it's fun. I'm gonna doubt it opens, but let's just try the bonnet. Oh, holy moly, will it open? No. Where's the ball and pull on these? Is it within reach, I wonder? No idea what I'm... Oh yes, hold on a minute. I can reach the bonnet pull. Ooh, okay, I needed two hands for that, but we have the bonnet open. Well, it's all there. Whatever all there means. Whew. Wow. So there you go, folks. There you have it. Would this suit anyone? I wonder could somebody get this running? How goddamn cool would that be? Anyway, there's a little bit of rust there in the bonnet, so yeah, she's shot. Bulkhead looks... No, it doesn't look anything good. Chassis rails are there, amazingly. Listen, folks, it's complete. It's as rotten as a bear's arse, but it is there for whoever wants it. Come and get it. Okay, send me an email, johnowestgarage@gmail.com. I'll share the owner's contact details. The car is located in North Tip. And yeah, thanks so much for watching. Bye bye.